Hey guys, this is CryptoCoin Investor. This is different video where I'll be unboxing a brand new Trezor hardware wallet. So for those who are unfamiliar with what is a Trezor makes hardware wallets and they are more secure than the paper wallets, and of course they are more secure than the exchanges where an average Joe stores their cryptocurrencies. So this is what the packaging looks like. Make sure it is not torn or tampered with, because you'll be storing your money in it. So this is made in EU, European Union, not made in China, so no cost cutting there. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Trezor or any other hardware wallet company, so all truth here. I'm just trying to open it. Man, it's taking some effort. Well, they made sure that it is hard to tamper with, and that's for sure. I'm just going to rip it apart then. Gotta make use of that muscle, but I do not want to damage anything that is inside the box. God damn, man. Shit, it's driving me crazy already. Well, you know what? I own a Legend Nano S, and damn, its packaging was way simpler than this. Okay, so now we are having a glimpse of what is inside this wallet. So let me figure it off. Okay, now we have, what do you call it? We used to have these things back in the days with the mobile phones. We also have this, a very small micro USB cable. This is not USB-C. And then we have the Trezor itself. So let me take this off. This is what it looks like. Feels very cheap in the hands. Feels very cheap in the hands. In a moment I will compare it to the Legend Nano S, which feels more like a SanDisk USB drive. And you also get your recovery seed. This is very important. Do not disclose the seed to anybody. Of course, I won't be disclosing it on the video. Now, this seed will help you to recover your funds in case you damage your hardware wallet, Trezor wallet. If you damage this or somebody steals it from you, you can immediately use the recovery seeds and transfer the funds. So you get a recovery seed. You get 2 pages. You can keep these in your bank, safe, or wherever you want to store them. You get a Trezor sticker, and I think this is another Trezor sticker. More stickers. And getting started guide. Let me try to focus it for you guys. So you have to connect the Trezor via USB to your PC or mobile phone. Okay, you can connect it to your mobile device as well, but I'm pretty sure that will work only for the Android devices, because only they support the OTP. Not OTP, it is, what do you call that? MTP. And since most of the new devices come with USB-C, you won't be able to use the included cable. And then you have to open trezor.io/start, not .com, and then follow instructions to set up your device. Okay, so that's all you get in the box. Now, this is the Legend Nano S. Looks very sleek, like a SanDisk drive, and I'm sure the Legend Nano X looks even sleeker because that has a screen and it has Bluetooth and whatnot. This is how the Legend Nano S looks like, and this is how the Trezor looks. Trezor is very cheaper looking and entirely made of plastic with a very boring display in the middle. But both are equally useful, and you should be using either of them. I prefer to use the Ledger one, well, because of the better software support. That is why I got the Ledger Nano S earlier. But lately I got a really good deal on the Trezor wallet, so I bought it, and it looks cheap. Definitely looks cheaper than the Ledger. Due to the metal, it has good weight to it. It feels solid. This one, nah, cannot say the same. Also, the port is exposed. The port is exposed in the Trezor wallet, while in the case of Ledger, the port is secured and it is safeguarded by this metal thing. So yeah, I love this. And let me know which one you prefer, Trezor or Ledger. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, go ahead and like it and stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency, ICO news, and price analysis. I mean, I've been doing a lot of price analysis reviews, and I'm pretty sure you enjoy them as well. So that's it. Bye bye.